Looking for the best fuel additive that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best fuel additive that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Hot Shots Secret Fuel Additive. After using this fuel system cleaner, I noticed a clear improvement in my vehicle's overall performance. It effectively cleaned the fuel system, helping remove deposits from injectors, valves, pistons, rings, and upper cylinders while keeping key engine components well protected. The engine began idling more smoothly, throttle response felt sharper, and acceleration became more consistent. I also experienced a modest improvement in fuel economy over the following tanks, making it a worthwhile addition to routine maintenance. Its PA-based formula appears to do an excellent job of breaking down stubborn gum, varnish, and combustion chamber deposits, helping restore lost power and combustion efficiency. The treatment is incredibly simple to use. Just add the recommended amount during a fill-up, and requires no special tools or mechanical knowledge. Overall, this is a reliable, high-quality fuel additive that helps restore engine performance, improve drivability, and support long-term engine health. Next up is STP Fuel Additive. I've been impressed with how well STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner performs. After one treatment, my engine felt noticeably smoother, with improved throttle response and steadier acceleration. Its combination of PA and PBA detergents does an excellent job of cleaning the entire fuel system, helping remove stubborn deposits while reducing engine friction. I appreciate that it contains significantly more cleaning agents than premium gasoline, giving me confidence that it's providing a deeper clean. Over the next few tanks, I also noticed a slight improvement in fuel efficiency, which made it an even better value. The application couldn't be easier. Just pour the full 12-ounce bottle into a tank that's at least half full. Using it every 4,000 miles has become part of my regular maintenance routine, and it has helped keep my vehicle running smoothly, efficiently, and with restored performance. Coming in at number 3 is Valvoline Fuel Additive. This high-mileage fuel system cleaner exceeded my expectations and made a noticeable difference in my vehicle with over 75,000 miles. After a single treatment, the engine ran smoother, acceleration felt more responsive, and idle quality improved significantly. It effectively cleaned stubborn deposits throughout the fuel system, helping restore injectors, pumps, and carburetors for better fuel delivery and combustion efficiency. I also noticed a slight improvement in fuel economy, making it a valuable addition to regular maintenance. What stands out most is its ability to reduce engine friction while protecting critical components from future deposit buildup, giving older engines a renewed sense of reliability. The formula is easy to use and provides long-lasting benefits that help preserve performance over time. Overall, it's an excellent fuel additive for high-mileage vehicles, delivering cleaner operation, restored power, and greater confidence that the engine will continue performing at its best. Now number 4, ProGreen Fuel Additive. This fuel additive delivered noticeable improvements after just one treatment. My engine started more easily, idle became smoother, and the hesitation during acceleration disappeared, making the vehicle feel far more responsive. Throttle response was quicker, and the engine seemed to regain some of its lost power, giving a more confident driving experience. I also observed a modest improvement in fuel economy over the following fill-ups, while the engine operated more quietly and efficiently. One feature I especially appreciate is its ability to bind dispersed water in the fuel, helping prevent moisture-related issues and keeping fuel fresh for extended storage. Knowing it also helps reduce emissions, minimize rust, and protect the fuel system adds extra value beyond the immediate performance gains. Overall, this is an excellent fuel treatment for maintaining engine health, restoring performance, and keeping gasoline-powered vehicles running reliably and efficiently over the long term. And finally, our last pick is Seafoam Fuel Additive. Seafoam has become one of the most dependable maintenance products I've used for keeping engines running at their best. After adding it to my fuel system, I noticed smoother idling, stronger acceleration, and improved throttle response, while the engine felt quieter and more refined. It effectively cleaned injectors, combustion chambers, and fuel passages, helping restore lost performance and fuel efficiency. Using it as an oil treatment before an oil change also helped the engine feel cleaner and smoother by reducing sludge and deposits that can restrict proper lubrication. I especially appreciate its fuel stabilizing ability, which keeps gasoline and diesel fresh for long-term storage while preventing gum and varnish buildup. Its compatibility with virtually all gasoline and diesel engines, from cars and trucks to motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment, makes it incredibly versatile. Overall, this is an outstanding all-in-one engine treatment that delivers reliable performance, protection, and long-term engine health. So those were the top 5 best fuel additive you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.